A heated exchange in the courtroom between a defendant and the judge as that man was sentenced for beating a pizza shop manager into a coma. Good evening. I'm Christine Johnson.
Welcome back. I'm Jessica Moore. The 2024 attack happened after the manager told the man he couldn't have his pit bull inside the restaurant.
Alice Gaynor shows us some of the video of the attack that was played in the courtroom, and we do need to warn you, it is disturbing.
Tyshawn Watson was originally indicted on attempted murder and 4 counts of assault. He pleaded guilty to 2 counts of assault and during sentencing told the judge he took accountability by staying on scene, but said if we watched the video right now, you'd see the pizza shop manager was irate and I was telling him to calm down. The judge said, I watched the video. You went around the counter. If you don't want to take responsibility, Watson kept interjecting. The judge then said, I'd be prepared to play that video right now, and if I'm right and you're wrong, I'd take back your plea and go to trial. The video from Roma Pizza on 5th Avenue between 19th and 20th Streets taken the night of August 19th, 2024 after 9:45 shows Watson enter with his pit bull off leash. He buys pizza and a drink and sits in the back. Prosecutors say the manager tells him multiple times he's not allowed to have the dog in the restaurant. A few minutes later, Watson gathers his things and is at the counter speaking with the manager. He walks around the counter and strikes Zachariah El Sharif, known as Zach. The brutal attack, which included the dog biting El Sharif, lasted around 4 minutes, as prosecutors say he pleaded with Watson to stop. When he attempted to escape, prosecutors say Watson put him in a chokehold and tackled him to the ground, stomping on his head. Watson walked back in and sat in the dining area until he was arrested. El Sharif was unresponsive in a coma for 2 weeks, treated for 2 months in the hospital for bruising, bone fractures, and a traumatic brain injury. They say he made a miraculous recovery. The judge turned back to Watson and asked a series of questions, trying to decide if he was remorseful. Watson, who says he was intoxicated that night, said he had a ton of remorse. The judge called Watson's actions heinous. She sentenced him to 17 years in prison, saying that whenever he had a parole hearing, I'll use everything in my power to make sure you stay in the entire 17 years. In Lower Manhattan, Alice Gaynor, CBS News, New York.